Some of the key features of the P.U.W.M.A system are listed here, and I will go through each one briefly. The system can be quickly deployed with the setup on board taking less than 2 minutes and full recording capabilities being available once a GPS lock has been achieved. This normally takes place less than 60 seconds from power on of the system. Ease of movement of the unit was key to the design, and for this to be achieved there had to be a trade-off between battery size and expected runtime. It was felt that a runtime of 6 hours was more than adequate for a day's searching, and this allowed us to keep the weight of the unit down, making it easily transportable and safely placed on and off boats. The Helix head unit has a number of modes of operation, from the simple digital sonar we are all familiar with on fishing boats to the more advanced side scan and down imaging modes. What is great about this system is the ease at how we can mark targets, whether it be the boat's current position or an actual target on screen. Coupled with this capability is the ability to take snapshots of what is exactly on the screen at that particular time. This snapshot alone can contain all the information required for a successful recovery to be carried out. While searching, we are able to gauge target sizes using both the range and depth lines. This can allow us to prioritize targets when going back over imagery. The P.U.W.M.A system operates over a wide frequency range, with chirp digital sonar operating at 83 and 200 kHz, while both side scan and down imaging operate on 455, 800 and 1200 kHz. These frequencies allow us to work on a number of ranges and depths to provide the best imagery available. The P.U.W.M.A system uses chirp technology to enhance the imagery obtained and discard poor imagery caused by noise generated from nearby objects. Ease of mounting the transducer is achieved through the use of a Minn Kota mount. These provide a simple yet reliable means of deploying your transducer quickly and effectively. The P.U.W.M.A system has a built-in smart charging system which operates on a 3-stage basis, with the first stage providing a bulk charge, bringing the system back to 85% capacity quite quickly. The next stage is absorption charge, which reduces the current but continues to charge the battery until it reaches approximately 95%. It is this stage that it goes into the final mode, which is called float charge, and this brings the battery to 100%, maintaining it at this level. We also know this type of charge as trickle charge. This type of charging is very safe and allows us to recharge our unit overnight without any worries of overcharging. As previously stated, the internal battery gives us a runtime of approximately 6 hours. This has been deemed to be more than enough for a full day of sonar operations. There is an external power point provided along with a lead that allows us to plug directly into the boat's power supply. This allows us to run indefinitely, leaving the internal battery fully charged. Dual USB charging ports were fitted to facilitate charging of phones, etc. while on the water for prolonged periods. A full navionics package is supplied with the system, allowing us to use full mapping capabilities for both planning and implementing searches. Mariteq Solutions provide full training, not just on the system itself, but on sonar in general, as well as mission planning and search techniques. As with all electronic systems used in the harsh environments we find ourselves working in daily, it is recommended that it is sent back for an annual service to ensure reliability. Finally, we have the ability to review footage on the system itself or extract the data by means of an SD card for further interpretation via third-party software.